Albert Einstein is one of the most famous scientists in history. His name is a symbol of intelligence and creativity. He developed the theory of relativity, which changed the way we understand time, space, and the universe. But do you know that Einstein was once considered a slow learner? That he failed many times before achieving success? His story is not just about science. It is about hard work, curiosity, and never giving up. Today, we will take you on a journey through the incredible life of Albert Einstein. Are you ready? Let's begin. A Curious Child, 1879 to 1894. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer, and his mother, Pauline, was a musician. As a baby, Einstein was different from other children. He started speaking very late, around the age of 4. His parents were worried. Some people even thought he was not intelligent. But little did they know. This slow child was actually a genius in the making. The magic of a compass. When Einstein was 5 years old, his father showed him a magnetic compass. As he moved it, the needle always pointed in the same direction. This made young Albert curious. Why does the needle move without anyone touching it? He asked questions that no one else thought about. This was the beginning of his lifelong love for science. Struggles in school. Einstein was not a bad student, but he was different. He hated the strict, memorization-based education system. He preferred to think freely rather than just follow rules. His teachers did not understand him. One teacher even told him, "You will never succeed in life." But Einstein did not let this stop him. He had a secret weapon, his love for learning. The Young Scientist, 1895 to 1905. At the age of 16, Einstein failed the entrance exam for the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich. Yes, you heard that right. The man who would later change science failed an exam. But he did not give up. He studied harder and passed the exam the following year. A job at the patent office. After graduating, Einstein could not find a teaching job. Instead, he got a job as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office. His job was to review inventions, but in his free time, he worked on his own ideas. And then, something amazing happened. At the age of 26, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers in 1905. These papers changed physics forever. One of them contained the theory of special relativity, with the famous equation E equals mc squared. This equation showed that energy and mass are connected. It became one of the most important scientific discoveries ever made. Suddenly, the world started noticing this young scientist. Fame and recognition, 1905 to 1921. Einstein continued his research, and in 1915, he introduced the general theory of relativity. This theory explained how gravity works in a completely new way. In 1919, scientists tested his theory during a solar eclipse. They found that Einstein was right. Gravity bends light. The news spread all over the world. Newspapers called him a scientific superstar. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect, which later led to the development of solar panels. Einstein became famous, but he remained a humble and kind person. Escape from Nazi Germany, 1933 to 1939. In the 1930s, Adolf Hitler rose to power in Germany. Einstein, who was Jewish, was in danger. In 1933, he left Germany and moved to the United States. He joined Princeton University and continued his work in physics. Einstein loved peace, but in 1939, he wrote a letter to U.S. President Franklin Roosevelt. He warned that Nazi Germany might develop an atomic bomb. This letter led to the Manhattan Project, which built the first nuclear bombs. Einstein later regretted this. He said, "If I had known, I would never have written that letter." After World War II, he became an advocate for world peace. The final years, 1940 to 1955. Even in his old age, Einstein continued working on science. He tried to find a theory of everything, a single theory that explains the whole universe. Although he could not complete it, his work inspired future scientists. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His last words were in German, but no one knows what he said because the nurse did not understand German. Even after his death, Einstein's brain was studied by scientists to understand his intelligence. Lessons from Einstein's life. Einstein's story teaches us many valuable lessons. 1. Curiosity is the key to learning. Einstein always asked why and searched for answers. 2. Failure is not the end. He failed exams but never stopped learning. 3. Think differently. He did not follow traditional rules and created new ideas. 4. Hard work pays off. He worked for years to develop his theories. 5. Success takes time. He was ignored for many years before the world recognized his genius. Albert Einstein was not just a scientist, he was a dreamer, a thinker, and a man who changed the way we understand the universe. His life proves that you don't have to be perfect to achieve greatness. All you need is curiosity, persistence, and the courage to think differently. What do you think about Einstein's story? Let us know in the comments. Would you like to hear more inspiring stories? Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep improving.